everyone. So as we are discussing about the rules in ecology, so in this lecture we'll be discussing about the Allen's rule. So let us discuss the Allen's rule in detail now. So the first point to remember about Allen's rule is that it is applicable for the endotherms. And what are endotherms? We have already discussed. Let us just revise it. So the endotherms are the warm-blooded animals, and these warm-blooded animals have a capability to maintain their body temperature at a constant temperature irrespective of the outer environment. So the Allen's rule is applicable to these warm-blooded or the endotherms. And according to this rule, the cold area animals have a small appendages in order to retain more heat. As we can see in the picture that these penguins have very small appendages, and these appendages include the hands and the legs, and because of smaller appendages these penguins and other cold area animals, they have the advantage of retaining more heat so that they can survive better in the cold harsh environment and thus can have higher reproduction probability. So what we need to remember is that these cold area animals have smaller appendages, and these appendages include the hands and the legs and also the ears, which help them to retain more heat and thus increase their survival probability in this harsh environment. And in contrast to the cold area animals, we have the hot area animals that have very large appendages so that they retain less heat in their body, and more heat loss can occur from their body so that they can easily adapt to the external heat conditions. As we know that the camel have very long legs so that high heat can be lost from its body and it is easily able to maintain its internal body temperature. And same is the case with this cute. It have very long ears and also long legs in comparison to its body so that it can lose more heat and easily maintain its body temperature at constant range. So this was the thing that we need to remember. So let us just briefly summarize about the Allen's rule, what we have just studied. So according to Allen's rule, the cold area animals have very small appendages. And why they have small appendages? So that there occurs less heat loss and thus they can easily maintain their body temperature at constant rate. And in contrast to cold area, we have the hot area animals. For example, camel, which have very long appendages so that there occurs high heat loss, and finally their body temperature can be maintained at a constant range. What we need to remember is that in both the hot area and the cold area animals, there occurs the change in the size of appendages in order to have the similar end result, that is constant body temperature, which is a very important requirement for these endotherms to survive. So with this, we are done with the Allen's rule, and in the next video, we'll be discussing few more topics of ecology in detail. So if you like this video, please do like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming up very soon with the next videos as well. So thank you so much for watching, and till then keep learning.